तो इसमें सबसे बड़ा शेयर है मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन वाइज 6.7 लाख करोड़ का शेयर है, इसका डिविडेंड यील्ड 3% है। दोस्तों शेयर का नाम है इन्फोसिस, आईटी सेक्टर का शेयर है दोस्तों। इसमें देखिए प्रमोटर 15%, म्यूचुअल फंड 22%, डीआईआई 20%, एफआईआई 29% और रिटेलर सिर्फ 8% है। और डिविडेंड यील्ड देखिए 3% है दोस्तों। इन्फोसिस एक बहुत ही रिलायबल कंपनी है और बहुत बड़ा जायंट है आईटी सेक्टर का। ठीक है, करंट प्राइस का देखिए 1642 है, ऑल टाइम हाई 2006 है और 52 हाई 1982 है, 52 लो 1300 है। Down from all-time high is 18%, down from 52 high is 17%, and up from 52 week low is 25%. And PE of this company is 24, and gain from listing is 1245. So the gain which is shown here is not total gain given by the company. It is not in this percentage stock split bonus, and whereas dividend are not included. So gain from listing may be very much higher than this indicative gain from listing of 1243%. Okay, now we go to second large cap company, that is Bajaj Finance. It is a non-banking financial services company. It is also a large cap company. This is market capitalization of this company is 6.1 lakh crore. Dividend yield is 0.5%. Promoter holding you can see here is 54%, mutual is 9%, DII is 6%, FII is 22%, and retailer is 5%. Current price of company is 990. All-time high is 1102. 52 high is also 1102. 52 week low is 697. Down from all-time high is 11%. Down from 52 high is 10%, 11%. So, company like Bajaj Finance, if you are getting this company and we want to start our investment journey, we can start if company falls more than 10% from its all-time high. So, company is at very good position, buying position. It is now up from 52 week low is 42%. P of this company is 34, which is also justified for this company, this growing company. And listing gain, you can see from the gain from the listing when company is listed in the market is 2,20,000%. So it is a huge gain. So we can think of investing in Bajaj Finance.